Want to close apps running in the background on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to close background running apps on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open any apps you currently have running on your iPhone. To view your recently opened apps, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. You'll now see all the apps currently open in the app switcher. To close an app completely, simply swipe up on the app preview and it will disappear from the list. However, if you want to reduce how much apps refresh in the background, you can also manage background app refresh. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap Background App Refresh. Here, you can choose whether apps are allowed to refresh their content in the background. You can turn Background App Refresh off completely, or disable it for individual apps you don't need. This can help reduce unnecessary background activity, and may help save battery and mobile data. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.